Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you stylish gazebo decor for backyard and transform backyard gazebo into a stylish and inviting outdoor retreat that reflects personality. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Your backyard gazebo has the potential to be a true haven, a place for relaxation, conversation, and escape from the everyday. But an empty gazebo feels more like a blank canvas than a finished masterpiece. This is where gazebo decor comes in. It's the art of transforming your gazebo into a functional and aesthetically pleasing outdoor space that reflects your personal style. Gazebo decor is the strategic use of furniture, fabrics, lighting, and accessories to elevate your gazebo from a basic structure to an inviting outdoor room. It's about creating a cohesive and comfortable environment that inspires you to spend more time outdoors. The benefits of decorating your gazebo extend far beyond aesthetics. Here are a few compelling reasons to invest some time and effort. Enhanced functionality. Decor can transform your gazebo into a designated space for specific activities. Comfortable seating, a table, and lighting can make it a perfect reading nook, outdoor dining area, or even a game room. Increased comfort. The right decor creates a sense of enclosure and intimacy, making your gazebo a more comfortable retreat. Think plush cushions, throws, and strategically placed wind chimes. Improved aesthetics. A well-decorated gazebo becomes a focal point in your backyard, adding a touch of elegance and personality to your outdoor space. And here are some key considerations for creating a stylish and functional backyard gazebo. Define your purpose. Before diving into decor, consider the primary purpose you envision for your gazebo. Will it be a place for lounging, dining, or entertaining? Choose the right furniture. Select furniture that is comfortable, weather-resistant, and fits comfortably within the gazebo's footprint. Opt for a conversation set, a cozy chaise lounge, or a bistro table and chairs, depending on your needs. Embrace fabrics. Outdoor cushions, throws, and curtains not only add comfort but also inject color and pattern. Choose weather-resistant fabrics that complement your overall design scheme. Light it up. Strategic lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, especially during nighttime gatherings. Consider string lights, hanging lanterns, or solar-powered path lights. Accessorize wisely. Accentuate your gazebo with decorative elements that reflect your style. This could include wall art, potted plants, a small fountain, or even an outdoor rug. And to complete your inspiration, hear these: the compilation of top 10 best gazebo decor ideas for your backyard. 1. Comfortable seating. Invest in comfortable and weather-resistant seating that suits your purpose. From plush sectionals to bistro sets, the options are endless. 2. Colorful cushions and throws. Add pops of color and comfort with outdoor cushions and throws. Opt for fade-resistant fabrics that are easy to clean. 3. String lights. Create a magical ambience with string lights draped across the gazebo roof or strung around the posts. They add a touch of whimsy and are perfect for evening gatherings. 4. Outdoor curtains. Sheer curtains add a touch of elegance and privacy, while heavier drapes can create a more enclosed space ideal for cooler evenings. 5. Area rug. Define your space and add comfort underfoot with an outdoor rug. Choose one that complements your furniture and color scheme. 6. Hanging plants. Introduce greenery and a touch of life with hanging planters or climbing vines. 7. Floor fountain. The gentle sound of a water feature can create a peaceful and serene atmosphere within your gazebo. 8. Outdoor artwork. Personalize your space with a piece of weather-resistant wall art or a small sculpture. 9. Lanterns. Solar-powered lanterns add a touch of charm and provide warm ambient lighting. 10. Outdoor throw pillows. Scatter colorful throw pillows on your seating for visual interest and added comfort. By following these tips and incorporating some of the suggested decor ideas, you can transform your backyard gazebo into a stylish and inviting outdoor retreat that reflects your personality. With a little creativity and planning, you'll create a space you'll cherish for years to come. Head over to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for more outdoor living inspiration and expert design tips. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.